Hello, today we are going to make this beautiful and elegant pillow cover. Easy enough, just go ahead and cast on and chain 41, then go ahead and turn. And this is a quick work project. It's got a rather large hook, so you can just go ahead and chain at a regular medium tension. No need to be too tight or too loose. After you've gotten your chain completed, you're going to chain 2, then half double crochet in the second chain from the hook, and then half double crochet in each chain all the way across for a total of 39 half double crochets. This is going to be the starting row for one side, and of course I used a square pillow, so if you're changing this to be for a rectangular pillow, you may want to go ahead at this time and fit it to see if you're going to need to do additional chains so that those foundation rows are wide enough for your pillow. Again, I used a square pillow, so you should be able to use just a standard size square pillow that you would use for a throw pillow at your home. Now once you have 40 rows of the half double crochet, just make sure that you have counted all of your stitches and everything, and you've always got the 39 half double crochets for each row to make sure that the shape of your pillow is going to be correct. Then we can move on to kind of finishing. But one thing to note, I found it much easier to go ahead and do the second panel at this time and just go ahead and have it ready to go, because whenever I got to the finishing stage, I wanted to finish the whole thing. So at this point, I was really thinking about that second panel, and I decided to go ahead and make my second panel just at the end of my 40th row of half double crochets. Once you have one panel completed, you can go ahead and finish it up, or just finish one panel at a time if you've got both of them completed. And you're just going to go ahead and do a chain 1 at the corner, and then single crochet in each of the half double crochets all the way across. So again, that'll be 39 single crochets. At the corner, however, that last half double crochet, that 39th one, you'll want to do 2 additional single crochets. This will mean 3 single crochets in the top of that last half double crochet. Then go ahead and turn the piece a quarter, so you're working in the sides of each half double crochet to do single crochets all the way down, and that will be a total of 40. So that's counting, you know, those extra ones in the corner. It's kind of awkward to count those, but and then you'll do that again for Once you've got both panels completed, go ahead and lay them on top of each other and then just single crochet to join the 2 panels. I started at a corner, which is what made sense to me. Of course, you can start anywhere. The trick is, though, that while you're working through both panels, go ahead and chain 1, then single crochet through both of the 2 panels, joining them together. And then just single crochet in each single crochet all the way across, which if you started a corner will be 41 single crochets total. And then you'll 3 single crochet in the next single crochet, which is the corner, again, because we're making that a nice, clean, crisp corner. And then single crochet in each single crochet on each side. Of course, before we slip stitch to join both sides, we want to make sure that we have fit the pillow inside, because that is going to be this is not a pillow cover that you would take off frequently to wash by itself. This is a pillow cover that would permanently be on the pillow, so you're going to want to fit the pillow in before you finish the single crochets along the last side. So of course, once the pillow's inside, you're just going to single crochet to close on that last side, repeating the same job of fitting the two sides together and making sure they join. This is a little bit difficult with the pillow, but there's enough give in the yarn that you should be able to make this work. And then finally, the finishing touch, weaving in that ribbon. I counted 3 or 4 stitches in and just maintained my consistency all the way across on each side, and then went through 2 or 1 half double crochet stitch depending on where I was located. I found the easiest thing to do was to twist the end of that ribbon to get it through. You could also thread it through on a large darning needle. I just didn't have one handy that I felt like I needed to use. This was easy enough to just do with my fingers. And once you're done with the ribbon, your pillow's complete.